To begin reporting, we click on our name and we go to Administer. And this will provide you with various tabs which can be used for reporting purposes. So for example, if we go into Users, we can report on the list of users which are currently active and inactive in the portal. It's automatically set to active users. As you can see here in the filter, status equals active. We might want to filter that even further to include users who are learners. So if you filter that, it's going to provide all users with status learner in their name. So we can export that by clicking here and scrolling down and exporting, and that will provide us with a CSV file of all learners currently in the system.